How to play YouTube in the background on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your mobile device. Here I am using Google Chrome. So inside Google Chrome in the search address bar, search for the YouTube and go to the YouTube website. Now once you're inside the YouTube, find the video you want to listen to or start playing it. You can simply use the search address bar in the YouTube and search for the video, or simply tap on any video you have seen here. So once the video starts playing, all you have to do is press the home button or swipe up to go to the home screen. While playing, do that. Don't stop the video, simply go to the home screen. Now, simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen. You should see the video's audio playing in the control center. Press play if it stops and it will continue in the background. You can still turn off your display and play it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.